My dear friends, do you know what are the workplace values and what are the importance of workplace values? Workplace values are the guiding principles that are most important to us about the way we work. We use these deeply held principles to choose between the right and wrong ways of working. And they help us to make important decisions and career choices. Today, we are going to have a thorough discussion about the workplace values and its importance. Are you ready to work on it? Then catch it.
Yes, we got it. Yes, it is responsibility. Responsibility is the act of being accountable. Responsibility makes you to take ownership of the outcome of your own choices. Responsible workers are more engaged and hold themselves to deliver results. Responsible leaders create an environment which cultivates high performance teams which in turn deliver better results. So, responsibility acts as a catalyst to transform an average individual into a strong motivation force. So, here is the second workplace value. Who is going to catch this?
So friends, now we can look professionalism at workplace. Professionalism is a conduct, behavior and attitude of someone in workplace or business environment. Professionalism leads to workplace success, a strong reputation and a high level of ethic and excellence. So we can look 5 ways how to show professionalism at workplace. First one is workplace rules and expectations. Even though you are likely to have a supervisor managing over you in your job, you will be expected to use self-management skills. Second one is personal responsibility. Personal responsibility is critical to your success at workplace. Third one is workplace ethics. Each and every organization has set certain amounts of ethics that each and every professional should follow. Fourth one is physical appearance. First impression is the best impression. So the way we dress up, everything matters on our personality. And fifth one is language. The language we use, it should be polite for a better professional's life.
No one wants to feel like they are being disregarded. Whether you are a manager, owner, or employee, you want to feel like your ideas, feelings, and presence are respected. Allowing your employees to display disrespectful or degrading behaviors will result in a poor workplace culture and is likely to increase employee over. Reduce workplace stress, conflict, and problems, and increase in workplace respect will help to improve communication between colleagues, increase teamwork, and reduce stress as peace in the workplace soars. Increase productivity, knowledge, and understanding as mutual understanding and respect increase the exchange of ideas will rise, which will increase company knowledge and innovation. Reducing the amount of pettiness and workplace politics will also assist in increasing productivity. The goal will shift from one-upping a colleague to focusing on the company as a whole.
Positive attitudes can make work environment happy and joy to be in. A positive attitudes keep everyone trying new things, feeling brave about brainstorming new ideas, and makes people feel excited to go to work with their coworkers. Employers seek employees who take the initiative and have the motivation to get the job done reasonable in period of time. A positive attitude gets the work done and motivates others to do the same without dwelling on the challenges that inevitably come up with in any job. It is the enthusiastic employee who creates an environment of goodwill and who provides a positive role model for others. A positive attitude is something that most valued by supervisors and co-workers and that also make the job more pleasant and fun to go to each day.
Competency. It's a set of specific skills and abilities required to do a job. Job competency gives the employee a clear idea of what he should do or expected to do in a workplace. And the competency also give what behavior they should cultivate in the workplace in order to be valued and to be rewarded. And there are different competencies that include one's abilities, one's skills, trait, and motivation, and also their knowledge. And the types of competencies also include the initiative and one's creativity, one's on involvement in their teamwork and the corporation, and is one's judgment and also his commitment to do the work. And here is goes the next value.
Loyalty has an important role in workplace. If you're managing a company or your own business, you need to encourage your employees' loyalty. So the loyalty tends to encourage your employees to do their best work and perform to their highest of standard. You should always try to increase staff loyalty within your company. Loyalty and trust are the most increasing quality in workplace. The loyalty has been two dimensions. First one is internal loyalty. Internal loyalty has defined as emotional attachment towards work. It includes caring, love, and behavior. It also deals with the commitment towards work within the emotional. Second one is external loyalty. Here, the management must deeply analyze what the employees is try bring the best of out of him and her. The customer satisfaction and employees loyalty bring benefits of the company.
For a vehicle, it needs an engine and steering system equally to drive it. Similarly, an organization's purpose is the engine and its values are the steering system to drive or run it. Values help organizations determine a range of acceptable behaviors that define for leaders and employees alike what activities are encouraged and unacceptable. In this video, we have discussed about the workplace values and its importance. Just as it is important to be able to identify the purpose of the organization, it is also important to agree with its values. Thank you.